Hi, this is Buster Graham, and you're watching WGS-TV.
Hello everyone, welcome to another installment of WGS-TV right here on YouTube.com/WrestlingGamer and ZenFixTV. I'm your official Wrestling Gamer, Double B Billy Boudreaux, along with Cody back there. Cody, say hi. And Jody.
Hi, David.
Yep, we're at the World of Wheels car show, guys. The big exhibition of all kinds of cars, all kinds of motorcycles. They got some special. Yep, we had a very special guest. Buster Graham is there, so we're going to take you guys along with us. We're going to show you all kinds of motorcycles, all kinds of cars, and hopefully if you guys are into that, I hope you will like this video.
Demonstration of H. Harley Davidson this afternoon. Enjoy the show. It's happening here tomorrow from 11 till.
Blue's one of my favorite colors. You know that?
And the yellow is my favorite color.
That's a pretty looking car, huh, guys? What do you think about this one?
Oh wow, that's the tail.
Look at that one. Oh yeah. These are on display. Here, guys. All of these are on display.
What is this called?
Yeah, it's an old car.
Yeah.
Let's go into it. Might be even an old truck. I'm not sure. Let's see. It's a 1935 Ford. Yeah, this is a car. A Radical Custom Rod Coupe. It's called the Halo.
That's my favorite color.
The white one?
No, the yellow one.
Oh, let's go look at it.
That's my favorite yellow one. Yeah, you like that one?
Don't.
Oh, look, there's one.
Wow, huh?
Yeah, it's inside.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty good.
That's a pretty looking truck, huh? It's a GTO. Just don't nobody start singing the GTO song.
How about this? What's that called? What's it called?
It's a 1933 Factory 5 Hot Rod Coupe. Altered Street Coupe. That's what it's called. Wait, hold on. 1957 Chevy 210 sedan. That's the 1933 Ford Roadster. Wow. Look the inside of it.
What is it called?
What is this one called?
I think it's the Reaper. It says on the tailgate, I think.
The Reaper?
The Reaper?
Wow.
It's pretty.
It's nuts. It's, yeah.
one's called the Paint House. I think, yeah. 1953 Cadillac Eldorado. One of 532. Yeah, but look, listen to it. One of 532 in total production in 1953, body number 107. One of 43 total produced in Aztec Red, a 532 total, or 8% of total production was Aztec Red. Yeah. 1956 Ford full hardtop. Yeah, 1960 GTO Judge. Dad would be drooling to see this thing. The 1952 Corvette. Oh, 82, I'm sorry. I need to learn to read.
Stoke Artist. Stoke Artist. Stoke Artist. Stoke Artist. Spiritual medium. Stoke Artist. Stoke Artist. I'm Haley, ring rose, ring rose, ring rose, ring rose, ring rose, ring rose. Stoke Artist.
My name's Andrew Weatherall.
Spiritual medium. Stoke Artist.